Sa pagtaya ni BARM Election Director Attorney Ray Sumalipaw, nasa 60% ang nakikinita nitong turnout sa idadaos na first parliamentary election sa BARMM. Samantala, posibleng sa buwan ng Mayo itatakda ang petsa para sa paghahay ng kandidatura para sa posisyon na District Representative.
As of now, we are waiting for the approval of the calendar of activities. We recommend some dates, but of course, we cannot just divulge it until it is approved kasi hindi natin malaman talaga kung ano yung ma-approve. But it's the first week of May ang nirecommend, and it only run for 3 days kasi we are expecting na konti lang naman ang kandidato. Yeah, we have 32 districts for that matter na mag-open ang filing of the candidacy. So it's 32, then marami din mga districts na walang magkalaban-laban because of the intercession of the elective officials. Actually, nabanggit na rin natin na because of the intercession of those elective officials, unlike before na hindi pa sila elected, ngayon na-elected na sila. So talagang makikinig yung lahat sa kanila na pwedeng ipagpatuloy or hindi ng isang would-be candidate. And of course, kung walang kandidato, kukunti ang mag-participate. So taking consideration of those factors, I would expect na it would be lower compared to the national local elections. I peg it at 60% siguro.